Hi guys, welcome back to Piper versus YouTube channel where curiosity meets the core. Today we'll be discussing about how to create a Google Map route link generator using the coordinates. But before that, we'll be checking the packages pre-installed in my system. So the first command that I'm going to execute in command prompt is pip list, where you can see all the packages with the versions so I can give a look about what package is what version and update it accordingly. So you can take a look onto your packages. If not installed, please do install it. You can just Google how to install and there will be a command for that to execute in command prompt. Another command to check for all these is pip freeze, which gives a similar output where packages with the version will be mentioned. So let's get started with the code. Starting, we are directly starting from a method because there are no imported libraries required. So starting, we have def generate Google Maps URL, original latitude, original longitude, destination latitude, destination longitude. This defines a function name generate Google Maps URL that accepts four parameters, which are latitude and longitude of both the destinations. These represents the latitude and longitude of the original and the destination points respectively. And then we have URL, HTTPS. So this we have given a Google Map link. So we have a constructor, a string called URL that forms a URL for Google Maps. This URL is structured to use the Google Maps direction API. It includes API, the origin, and the destination. The URL directs Google Map to display the route from the origin to the destination. And then we are returning the URL. This returns the URL constructed. Next, we have the main execution block. So we are starting with if name is equal to main. So here we are having is check if the script is being run directly. If true, it executes the following indented block of code. And we have original latitude is equal to float input enter latitude for the pinpoint and then for the all the four latitude and longitude point, we are taking it from the user and converting into a float value. This prompts the user to enter a latitude and longitude of the origin and the destination points. These inputs are converted to floats since geographical coordinates are typically represented in decimal degrees. And then we have generate URL. We have maps URL is equal to generate Google Maps URL original latitude, original longitude, destination latitude, destination longitude. So here it calls the generate Google Maps URL function with the user provide coordinates to generate the Google Maps URL and we have display the URL which is print Google Maps URL and print Maps URL. This prints the header, the Google Maps URL is followed by the generated URL. This allows the user to see and use the URL to navigate directly to the Google Maps with the specified route. So let's quickly see the output of the program. So as usual, I'm going to go where the file is, copy the name of the file .py file, open command prompt in the same window and Python space file name .py. So here you can see enter latitude pinpoint. So I'm roughly going to just give a number and let me give a float value too. If it is an integer, it will consider it as a float value. That is, if I give 40 also, it will be converted into 40.0000. And here again, I'm checking a route from the New York statue to the Eiffel Tower. So there is a like Google Map link generated. You can copy and paste this in the Google and get the route of the map. Thank you so much for watching. If you have learned something from this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.